Welcome everyone to this course on building PySQL queries targeting the new real-time query processing engine and the new PySQL client drivers. My name is Petr Koloničný and I am a member of the development team which works on PySQL products here at OSIsoft. Together with my colleague Wojciech Kmita, we will guide you through the course. Let's start with shedding light on the rationale behind this course. After we released PyServer 2018 with the first version of the RTQP engine, we wanted to speed up its adoption. We knew we needed to explain the new architecture and how and why the new products differ from PyLDB Enterprise. Therefore, we started to deliver learning labs at PyWorld conferences. This is the third lab in the series. In 2018, we started with a lab which demonstrated performance improvements. 1 year later, we showed how to use PySQL Client in practice as a data source for a mobile report. In 2020, we decided to focus more on the data model differences and the query building itself. The learning course is delivered with a virtual machine deployed in Microsoft Azure. The environment has the current versions of OSIsoft software pre-installed: PyServer 2018 SP3 Patch 1, PySQL Client 2018 R2, and PyLDB Enterprise 2018. Besides that, the machine contains Community Edition of Microsoft Visual Studio and Microsoft SQL Server 2017. The AF server has two demo databases we will use in the example queries: NuGreen and WinFarm. To finish the introduction of the environment, let's have a look at features which were added in the current RTQP engine and PySQL client releases. The current RTQP engine release contains just minor changes in comparison with the previous release. Besides a couple of bug fixes, we added several new functions and support for union clause. The PySQL Client 2018 R2, on the other hand, was extended significantly. It newly contains the PySQL Client ODBC driver and the pure Java PySQL JDBC driver. Last but not least, let's talk about the course contents. The course will start with a short history excursus where we will explain how the PySQL architecture changed over time. Then we will switch to the virtual machine and show you how to configure the individual PySQL client drivers. Next, we will compare the RTQP engine and PyLDB Enterprise data models, and we will give you some good hints to help build efficient PySQL queries. In the last lessons, we will show you how to use PySQL client drivers in practice. One lesson will be focused on C# programming, while the second one on SQL Server reporting services. And that's it for the introduction. Enjoy the course.